Hey, what's up everybody? Back here again with the 67 Mustang and all this wiring and plugs. We've got an American Auto wire set up going in the car. Going to give us some updates to the car, such as the Flaming River. It's going to be a keyless ignition, so that has a key fob, push button start, but of course does not work unless the key fob is within range. So kind of some of the new cars have that same type feature. So a lot of times this stuff can be a little overwhelming to people with all these wires. Sometimes it is a little overwhelming. This car alone, we have to sit here and put everything of this in to get all the standard things, and then also tie in the computer system and everything for the Coyote engine. We're also going to be messing with where we're going to actually mount the computer, which is probably going to be somewhere behind the fender. We may run it inside the car, but per the owner's request, want to keep things clean, compact, but yet easy to get to. So we'll keep you up to date on that as to where we end up mounting this. If we put this under the fender, of course, we got to make kind of a splash shield for it so it doesn't get covered with water, any kind of road debris, that kind of stuff. So you guys like, subscribe, and we'll be back with some more. Thanks.